Good morning, Nutrition 101. I just wanted to send a little message via video and email to talk through what we have coming up for the next couple weeks. So if you look on your Moodle, you will see that I have updated with an additional little PowerPoint here that says Flipped Classroom, chapter 5 through 9. If you click on that, you're going to see that there are a few additional assignments and due dates here. So as you can see on the 26th, you have both your chapter 5 and chapter 6 activity pre-work, which just involves some definitions. Now, if you were in class on Monday, we went through a lot of the different vocabulary for chapter 5, so we're going to hop right in to look at some molecules, define them, talk through, health and disease there, and then we're going to head into chapter 6 on Wednesday next week. So I want you to have this pre-work done by the 26th. Now, for flipped classroom assignments, I'm going to ask that you pass in these definitions during class on the 26th. So I'm going to start grading the flipped classroom assignments a little bit more specifically. So I let us ease in chapters 1 through 4 and chapters 5 through 9. I'm really going to be grading, did you do the work, and bring it in. So make sure you're ready to hand these in on Monday the 26th. Now, some of the other due dates I moved back a little bit given the other things that have been going on. So I'll talk through, some of this, but you'll have, 2 more weeks or so for chapter 7, and chapter 8 is another week away. And then we have, chapter 9 is our last little section, which is the last 2 weeks of class. So that's what's coming up in terms of due dates. We'll continue on with our Girls Inc. stuff probably next week and the week after. So we're going to be taking a little bit of class time to make sure that we're addressing Girls Inc., looking through the questions that the staff had answered, and my nutrition student from UMass might be coming in to give us some lectures on body image stuff that we can incorporate in there as well. And then make sure that if you haven't, you sign up for a food share. So we have Kate going on the 28th, and then we have some people signed up for every single time after that, but I'm still missing a few. So if you want to sign up for food share, you're welcome to put your name next to or underneath the second person, and we'll have 3 food shares that day. Bring your appetites on Wednesdays because we are going to have a good amount of food from now on since everybody decided to go a little later in the semester. So have a great weekend, everyone. Let me know if you have any questions, and I really look forward to seeing you all on Monday and diving right into the second half of the semester.